We're breaking into some new country. Got some trapping boxes. Exploratory run. Oh, we don't got our trailers. That's a good thing we don't have our trailers, because we might have played hell coming up the hill in a couple places. Anyway, if you can't tell, new country. Oh guys, we got a milk crate set, 330. Chunk of beaver. Tuck just did a martin cubby over there. Oh, this is line Tuck and I just picked up from one of Tuck's friends. More Tuck picked it up. So there's already some traps out here. This trap was already in this place. So, yeah. Anyway, down the trail we go. Voila. There's the cubby set. The martin nesting box. So, and the 330's right over there. Alright. There's a little gusto in it. By the way, the post office loves it when I ship gusto to the house. Yeah, not at all. Now, this is something you don't see every day. We are on a mountain. Like, we are on a mountain. Look at this. Slide marks. We got this a river otter up here. And I can get away with saying up here, because that's down at a pretty steep angle. Martin set. Yeah. Well, we do have a 330 bucket set right around the corner, so that's a plus. But yeah, we got otter tracks. Looks like it was probably a couple of them, because it splits right here. So probably a mom with kits, if I'm guessing, but who knows. So every corner is a new adventure. I'm gonna put you on my hat so you can see my view for a minute. Go for a ride. We got lots of rabbit sign, lots of martin sign, ermine. Well, like I said, Tuck picked up this trap line from somebody he knows, so we're going to be slowly phasing out the footholds for martin boxes once we get them all off. There's a pole set there. So we're going to set that pole set. I'll show you how we do it. Show you what it looks like when we're done. There's a pole right here, yeah. You don't see any more 330s like up at the other area, do you? I don't see any either. Alright. We'll set it and show you. Show you how to do this with a #1 long spring. Well guys, we actually had to switch that one out. It doesn't work. So the trap jaws doesn't close. So we went to a box. Nesting box, throwing it up with the 120. There's some beaver in it. My little carabiners from Amazon. Oh, the problems that arise on a trap line that hasn't been used in a couple of years. All right, let's watch how we take care of this.
Woohoo! Yeah!
3.5 pound axe. Borealis 29 by AWGA. Agua. I know I butchered that. That's all right. Whew. Bertha's got a big butt. Takes a mile to turn around. That's what Tuck has nicknamed his sled, Bertha. Nope. He can't quite fit where I do. I'm on the Sport, so I'm a little bit narrower. trail I took to get turned around. This is why we turned around right there. The trail just kind of ends and it gets to be a real deep trench. Almost knee-high trench. So we need a little more snow before we continue on that way. There's some sort of section line there. We got another one up here that we're gonna backtrack to go check out. This is the biggest reason we didn't bring our sleds with us. Our tow behind sleds. You know, as we get into an issue. Right. Whew. Oh. Here we got our number 4 right there. Chunk of beaver meat. We thought it was a good spot to set one. Now we're heading out. Put you on slow-mo, let you do a little slow-mo action here. Still the best way to hold your jet boil on a snow machine. And Tuck's getting his stuff ready. Yeah. We're still out exploring, checking it out. Ooh. We've done what, 10 miles already?
Something like that.
Yeah, 10 miles in new country. So we just broke up into here, turning around. Anyway. A little bit of beef stroganoff pro pack. What's
chicken and dumplings?
Chicken and dumplings. I'll trade you.
No, I'm good. I'll keep my chicken and dumplings.
Right, guys, on this comparison, what has the better video? This is the Insta360 S Pro. Up here, it's flat light. It's flat light bad. That's kind of why we're turning around. Or the GoPro. I've filmed everything up here to this point with the GoPro so far. We also have the Insta360 this year. So, yeah. That's where I set my deal right there to boil my water. Just like so. I want to know honestly, what's better, the Insta360 or the GoPro? This is going to be the only clip with the Insta360 today. Oh, one Mr. Christopher Tuckness just scared the holy living daylights out of me.
It's a roughie.
He got himself a nice little roughie. Yeah, I'm on the trailer. Trying to start strapping my sled down. Thinking he's pulling up alongside me, and all of a sudden I hear a gunshot. He shot a grouse right over in there. He was running through the trees on him. Yeah. Whew. Anyway, we just come up from down there. We just did like 35 miles total. As you can tell, it's almost dark. So, about 10 miles of line. Up on the trailer.